Welcome to Jiangsu Huachuang Laser Technology Group Co. Limited, your trusted laser cutting machine manufacturer. At Jiangsu Huachuang Laser Technology Group Co. Limited, we pride ourselves on being a professional manufacturer and supplier of high-quality laser cutting machines. With years of experience in the industry, our company has become a leader in designing, manufacturing, and distributing advanced laser cutting machines tailored to meet the diverse needs of our global customers. Whether you are running a large manufacturing plant or a small business, we have the perfect solution for you. About Jiangsu Huachuang Laser Technology Group Co. Limited. Located in the heart of our company boasts a manufacturing facility and a dedicated team of experts passionate about laser technology. Over the years, we have built a strong reputation for innovation, precision, and quality, earning the trust of clients worldwide. Our goal is simple: to provide the best laser cutting machines for small businesses and large enterprises alike, helping our customers achieve precision and efficiency in their operations. Our products and services at Jiangsu Huachuang Laser Technology Group Co. Limited, we specialize in producing a wide range of laser cutting machines. Our product line includes 1. Fiber laser cutting machines, perfect for cutting metals such as stainless steel, aluminum, and brass with high precision. 2. Carbon dioxide laser cutting machines, designed for non-metal materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and plastics. 3. Desktop laser cutting machines, compact and efficient, ideal for small-scale businesses and workshops. 4. Industrial laser cutting machines, high-power systems suitable for large-scale production and industrial applications. Each of our machines is designed to ensure optimal performance, longevity, and cost-effectiveness. Our flagship products are recognized as the best laser cutting machines for small businesses, thanks to their user-friendly design, affordability, and high precision. Why choose Jiangsu Huachuang Laser Technology Group Co. Limited? 1. Expertise and innovation. With a team of skilled engineers and researchers, we constantly innovate to bring cutting-edge technology to our products. Our machines are equipped with the latest features, ensuring superior performance and reliability. 2. Tailored solutions for small businesses. We understand the unique challenges small businesses face. That's why we focus on providing the best laser cutting machines for small businesses. Our compact and affordable models are perfect for entrepreneurs looking to enhance their production capabilities without breaking the bank. 3. Strict quality control. Every machine we manufacture undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and precision. For comprehensive customer support, from installation and training to maintenance and troubleshooting, our team is here to support you every step of the way. 5. Competitive pricing. We offer some of the most competitive prices in the industry without compromising on quality, making our machines an excellent investment for businesses of all sizes. Applications of our laser cutting machines. Our machines are versatile and can be used across various industries, including automotive, cutting metal components with precision, jewelry, intricate engraving and cutting for custom designs, furniture, cutting wood and acrylic for decorative purposes, signage, creating detailed signs and displays, textiles, cutting fabrics for fashion and upholstery. Many of our clients and small businesses have praised our products as the best laser cutting machines for small businesses, enabling them to expand their production and improve efficiency. Visit our facility. We warmly welcome customers to visit our factory and see our production process firsthand. At Jiangsu Huachuang Laser Technology Group Co. Limited, we believe in transparency and building trust with our clients. A visit to our facility will give you a better understanding of our manufacturing capabilities and the quality of our products. During your visit, you'll have the opportunity to witness the assembly and testing of our laser cutting machines. Interact with our skilled engineers and technicians. Learn more about how our machines can be customized to meet your specific needs. Customer testimonials. Many small business owners who have invested in our laser cutting machines have shared positive feedback about their experience. Here's what one of our customers had to say. As a small business owner, I was looking for a reliable and affordable laser cutting machine to expand my operations. Jiangsu Huachuang's machine exceeded my expectations. It's user-friendly, precise, and has significantly improved my production efficiency. I can confidently say it's the best laser cutting machine for small businesses. Contact us today. If you're looking for the best laser cutting machine for small businesses, look no further than Jiangsu Huachuang Laser Technology Group Co. Limited. We are committed to helping our customers achieve their goals with innovative and reliable